Welcome to KCD Software version 25. If you've upgraded from an earlier version, such as version 10, you'll immediately notice expanded customization tools, enhanced rendering capabilities, and a more refined design experience. Let's walk through what's new. Enhanced Color Selector. Version 25 introduces a redesigned color selector with significantly more control. When you click Set Colors icon, you'll now see a built-in hue slider. This allows you to fine-tune your selections and dial in the exact shade you need, whether you're adjusting cabinetry, walls, or appliances. You can also use the integrated eyedropper tool to sample colors directly from another screen. For example, if you're referencing a Sherwin-Williams paint selection online, simply choose your monitor, sample the color, and apply it instantly within your design. Expanded Textures and Cambria Quartz Designs. Version 25 includes an expanded texture library featuring new Cambria Quartz countertop designs, updated flooring options, and additional exterior views. To apply a new countertop design, navigate to Options, then Set Textures, and select Cambria Quartz from the drop-down menu on the right. Choose your preferred design and apply it. These additions provide more realistic renderings and more flexibility when trying to create the most accurate design. Reorganized Accessories Library and New Appliances. We've added a bunch of new accessories and updated appliance options in version 25. The accessories library has been reorganized into clearer categories, making it faster and easier to locate plumbing fixtures, decorative elements, and specialty items. In the unit bar search, typing an apostrophe reveals newly added accessories. Appliance finishes can be refreshed quickly by reapplying the selected appliance color, ensuring handles, knobs, and surfaces update consistently throughout the design. You'll also notice improved flexibility with sink configurations. The default faucets can now be removed, allowing you to select and place a custom faucet directly from the plumbing fixtures category. This added control gives you more detailed and personalized design options. HD doors and advanced door profiles. One of the most significant upgrades in version 25 is the introduction of enhanced HD door profiles. To access these options, go to Doors, then Change Doors on this job, then Door Details. You'll now find expanded customization settings including frame type, regular or mitered, outside edge profiles, inside bead options, panel raise selections, glass mullion configurations, decorative wire options. These settings allow you to create more refined, detailed door styles directly within your design. Version 25 also introduces Z inset flush door profiles, specifically designed for inset construction. When selected, the door is recessed cleanly into the frame for an authentic inset appearance. Door profile customization applies only to our new HD doors, only the doors with the updated maple finish. Designed for more control and precision. Version 25 builds upon the foundation you're already familiar with, while delivering expanded design control, richer material libraries, and more advanced customization tools. These enhancements are designed to improve both your workflow and your presentation quality. We're excited for you to explore what's new and see how version 25 elevates your design capabilities. Welcome to KCD Software version 25.